All right, everybody, it is that time, and here we go. Off to the movies. All right. Still a bit nervous about doing this in public, but gotta get over it at some point, don't I? Alrighty. Hopefully my little thing will stay in place so you get the sound. Okie doke. Here we go. I have no idea if you're even seeing this. I need to figure out the selfie mode version properly. Alrighty. This is going to be awesome. Up and up and up. Okay. Do they have anything for... Oopsie. I just apologized to a stepping stool. Okay. I did not know if they had any display stands up for Superman or not. Okay. May have to pause it here just because I need to get my ticket and that needs my app up. Okie doke. Let's stop it here for now. All right. Hello, everybody. Sorry for not posting in a bit. I got a little bit under the weather after going to go see Superman, but I wanted to try and catch up and at least show off this. I actually managed to get it finished and did take it to the theater with me. The AI thing is going to... Okay, there we go. So yeah, here we go. See it all nice and up close. Got the glossy finish looking on it. It looks amazing. It's definitely a lot of fun taking this to go see the movie. I'm going to try and do a little bit of editing to make that look a little bit better. But yeah, I meant to post about this and how amazing the movie was, as you might can tell with the shirt. It was a great movie. I know a lot of people are touchy about it. Since I'm doing this as I'm trying to get ready for work, and they shifted my schedule up early again, which throws me off a lot. I won't be going into any kind of a detailed review or anything. I'm not even sure if anybody wants to hear my detailed review on it. But it was awesome. It was an amazing movie. Goosebumps galore, and just an amazing, amazing DC film. Probably the best Superman movie I've seen since, since probably like the first Christopher Reeves film as a kid. Nicholas Hoult was great as Lex Luthor. Oh, I would say that I still prefer Michael Rosenbaum, but that's me. And it's not like I have a motivational autographed picture of him in my bedroom or anything. Which I do. Thank you to the random person who offered to get that for me at Dragon Con when I wasn't able to go. But, yeah. I don't have a lot of time because I've still got to get ready for work. But I got a stomach virus over the weekend and just have not been able to post. And didn't want to keep letting that get into bad behavior. So, doing a little bit of editing with this one. You'll see me going to the theater at the beginning of this, which you should already have seen because I'm trying to edit it in the beginning. That made sense. But yeah, I wanted to at least show off the finished product of the shield. Which again, turned out amazing. I got my matching shirt to go with it and hit up the theater. Did not get any of the popcorn stuff because 30 to 40, not as bad as the Galactus helmet, which is insane, but still trying to limit my budget. Yeah. I know that there's a small but loud group of people who seem to be keen on trying to make the movie into something it really isn't. And I have a cat who's apparently wanting a second breakfast, which he will not be getting. But yeah, it was a great film. The action was great. The comedy was hilarious. Mr. Fantastic was fantastic. Yeah, it was awesome. I highly recommend it. I really hope that I can get a chance to watch it again in the theater. IMAX was just incredible. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I have ice in this jug first. Okay. But yeah, it's a pretty short one because I don't want to wind on and on about it and risk giving away any amazing details. I do my only criticisms really would be some of the characters, and these are the ones you'll see in the trailers and everything. So like Mr. Fantastic, Metamorpho, wouldn't have minded if they'd given a bit of a backstory, because I kind of figured that might be partly where they were going. But that would have been cool if they actually could have added that in. Aside from that, everything was great. Yeah. It was, I was looking forward and hoping that it would be a really big dose of, like, I jokingly call it hopium, in a rather stressful and trying year for a lot of us, and it succeeded exceptionally. So it was great. And I cannot recommend it enough. But I've got to get, let's see. Yeah, this will be a super short video. I'm going to try and get back to my normal stuff soon, but I've got to at least try and eat something. Just only recently have I been able to eat properly. Okay, so go see the movie. It is awesome. If you have an issue with it, then, I mean, honestly, the people who are going on about this as a bad movie, I really do. I have not always been the biggest Superman fan. There are times with my more pragmatic, optimistically pessimistic side, I kind of wanted to jokingly go up and hit him upside the head with a kryptonite hammer and knock some sense into him. But this was a good movie. This was a really good Superman movie. It was very much what I grew up thinking Superman was. Not a all-powerful divine being who is so completely detached from humanity that we couldn't possibly utilize him as a icon or a symbol or something to aspire to because we are never going to be gods, but a guy with lots of power who just tries to do the best job he can. So, to sum it up, go watch the movie. Don't be Lex. Be Clark. Have a great week.